Can you see the flower? I don't know if you can see those white flowers. Those white flowers actually is what we don't want them to come out, because when this one white flowers they come out now in the farm, they will produce seed. Hello guys, we actually just finished harvesting our vegetable, and you can see the vegetable is here already. So now I will just sit here to support my mom in fixing the vegetable ready for preparing. So this is what we've done so far. Look at it, but still more need to be done. This is my kitchen pot. You can see how it's very big, because I have a big family, children, grandchildren, and my parents, 4 generations under one roof. I'm very happy because it made me feel as a typical African mama herself, a grandmother of in her 50s. So I hope you all can see me on camera. This is my kitchen, small mini kitchen. But then I'll be able to show you people what I want to show you right here on camera. So this is it. You pick up your vegetable like this. I don't know if you are saying it. You keep bending onto where you have the heart stem like here. So this is it. You bend it like this. This one will go back to the garden, actually to under the trees or under the plants. Why this one is what I'm eating. Actually, because the vegetable is too much and I don't want it to sit, that's why I'm cutting it. Else I will have, if you cut it like this, you see another stem will come, another shoot will come out from here, and if you cut it like this, another stem will come out from here in the farm. But it will be too much because the branches are too much, so I don't want to have too much vegetable. That's why I'm actually cutting. So we just keep fixing it like this. We arrange it. This is what we do. So this is what I do almost every day. If you see this one, can you see the flower? I don't know if you can see those white flowers. Those white flowers actually is what we don't want them to come out, because when this one white flowers they come out now in the farm, they will produce seeds. Right, let me look at some that have seed. I don't know if I see the one that have seed, they will produce seed, and once they produce seed, those seeds will be provide us with the seed that we will use to plant for the next planting season. So for now, we don't want it to produce it. That's why I kept it right down here so that I can prune. It's like pruning the vegetable. You see, you keep pruning, you know, but you don't slice. You don't slice the vegetable, as I said yesterday. No slicing of vegetables. No slicing of vegetables, because once you slice the vegetables, then you actually make all the nutrients that are in the stem. You are exposing them to when you are cooking. And when you boil, you know, normally you boil for about 5 minutes maximum. Don't boil your vegetables so much. Just boil for 5 minutes, drain the water, and stir fry. And before you start, when you come back like this, you need to wash the vegetable. Make sure you wash your vegetable before you boil for 5 minutes, so that when finally you remove it from boiling, you don't press too much because it's already clean. Especially this one that are organic. These ones are really organic. These ones are organic. Please, what are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? This is food. This is food in the making place. It is food. This is real food. Food. We have food here everywhere. We have food. We should not be talking about food insecurity when there's too much food for everybody to eat. There's food here. There is food. Do you see this? Do you see this? See the amount of vegetable we have to fix and eat and consume today. There's food. So for those who are 50 plus like me, please go back to your root and start planting your own vegetable. Go back to your root and start planting your vegetables. Go back to your root and start planting your own vegetables. Yes, I left work. I'm come to the garden. I've harvested the vegetable. I will fix it like this. And after now, I will make sure that I go back to work as if nothing happened. Yes, we keep fixing, we keep fixing. Please, this is the African huckleberry. We don't eat the berries because the berries are bitter, but we eat the leaves. They're crunchy, delicious leaves. We eat the crunchy, delicious leaves. We eat the leaves. You know, this is one of the vegetables I can eat every day. I will keep eating it every day to nourish my body. This is a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed full with so much nutrients. Packed full with so much nutrients. That is it. So this is what I do daily. I go to my farm, harvest some vegetables, cook and eat. I harvest just the amount that I will eat. I don't harvest and keep. No. I am the queen of harvest and eat. Harvest and eat same day. I harvest and eat same day. I harvest and eat same day. So please, if you are new, you kindly like, comment, interact with the video, share, and let's see how, let other people try to see how the Africans in the diaspora, wherever they go with your food. Our food is part of our culture, our food is part of us, and that's why we travel everywhere with our seeds. So if I'm going to Australia today, I will have some seeds. I'll be traveling with some seeds of my own food. Yes, that's my identity. We are made up of it. You can't take our food away from us. Because we are planters, we are gardeners. We can plant on our own. We can do everything on our own. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Did you see this? Do you see the amount of vegetable we have now? You see? Here we are with our vegetables. Here we are with our vegetables. So now like this, when I finish, I will just put boiling water on it. When you pour boiling water on it, you leave it for 5 minutes. You remove it. You strain it. And once you strain it, it's ready for stir fry. You can use some dry fish, dry meat, put some shrimps, put anything you want to put. Put some tomatoes. You know, some people prepare it with red oil, no tomatoes, only salt alone and red oil, which is very nice. My grandmother used to prepare that one when she was still alive. Unfortunately, I've lost both my grandparents as I become a grandparent also. Yeah, we keep walking this earth and keep going. So I am in my kitchen harvesting vegetables, cooking them, eating them. Please let me actually know if any of you have been eating this vegetable before. We eat it in Cameroon. You know, it's a delicacy in Cameroon, especially within the Northwesterner. They have their own species that they eat, not this tall one. If you see this one are very long, they have the short species. But that short species is a bit bitter, especially when they start producing seeds. But I love this young species. This species that is not bitter. Sometimes I can just pick it up. You can just put it in your salad, please, and eat. You don't have any problem with that. So there we go. We keep growing our own food and eating. Thank you. Please, I will just stop the camera like this and continue to do it off camera because I can't stay for a long time. Actually, only picking vegetables. I just wanted to show you I'm picking my vegetable for today, but I don't need to make the video so lengthy. You know, when we are making videos like this, we want to listen to our audience. One of my audience, I made a video of 20-something minutes. I said, it is too long. Yes, I love those type of feedback because they are very good feedback, because they sort of make us to know what our audience expect us to. There you go. My vegetable is organic. It is purely organic. No fertilizer. Nothing added to it. But it is much. See, I still have this much to do. So that's how much it is. But then, do you see this one? Are you seeing some seeds? These are the seeds we don't want them to see, because once they sit like this, it means this seed, when they get matured, the seeds can be planted and it will start growing again. So we don't want it to sit quickly. That's why we need to remove it. The way you cut it right down, just make sure you leave the stalk on the ground. It will still produce new shoots. That was good today, Chama. So that was it, guys. Kindly like, follow, interact with the video. I just wanted to show you how we do our vegetable every day. Harvest and eat every day. Harvest and eat every day. Harvest and eat. So for those who were asking, are you sure tomorrow you will still harvest? You saw me harvesting. But it's already 15 minutes and I have to go now. I have to go back. So I'll stop this video right now. But try to make sure that you invite others to join our page, so that whenever I drop a video, everybody will see it on their timeline. And also make sure that you invite your friends and family to join, so that we can showcase how we, the African in the diaspora, cultivate our own food, harvest, prepare, and eat. Yes, many people will soon be seeing me eating. It's not because I want to show you my food, or I want you to, see me enjoying my food, but I want to show you the way we African we eat our food. We African we eat our food in a very different way, and we need to uphold that culture of eating our own food. Even here, which is thousands of miles away from homeland, from motherland. Yes. That's one thing I love Cora. She will eat her food as if she's back in Nigeria. So many people, they travel and they forget how we eat our food. So we'll be showing you, so that those who have never been there, to see how a typical African eats. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So you can see, this is part of what we've arranged already. This is the one we'll be cooking. We are still fixing, but all this vegetable will be eating today. All this vegetable will be eating today. Yes, we have to nourish our food from our own backyard. So keep going. Please kindly like, comment, follow, invite others to see us eating jab soup. To see us eating jab soup. Far away in Belgium, we keep eating jab soup. That is it. This is how we do it. So thank you. I will leave you now because I have to go. Thank you.